Hello everyone, I am Surbhi Chandani, Faculty of Music. I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. In this video, I am going to discuss the topic Classification of Instrument of Grade 8th to 12th. Music is said to be as old as time itself. It is an expression of all the emotions like anger, sadness, joy, love, etc. It is hard to imagine when exactly man fell in love with melodious sounds of nature and decided to create his own device to produce same. Classical music is the purest and a very ancient form which has evolved through ages and is a divine melody to the ears and soul. Indian classical instruments have a rich history which can be traced back in time, and you can find its mention in Vedic Natya Shastra 3rd century and in Sangeet Ratnakar 13th century. We can also see the musical instruments in cave painting of Ajanta and Ellora, which only tells us how deeply the music captured the souls of ancient men and is still capturing. Classical musical instruments can be classified by Natya Shastra in 4 major categories. Number 1, Tatvadya string instruments. Number 2, Avnadvadya percussion instruments. Number 3, Sushirvadya wind instruments. And number 4, Ghanvadya solid instruments. Number 1, Tatvadya. String instruments differ in shape, size and number of strings in an instrument. These instruments are said to be the favorite of gods. One such example is Veena, which is called the mother of all the string instruments. Veena was also played by Saraswati, mythological goddess and messenger of god Narad. This tells us that how ancient are these instruments. String instruments are also known as chordophones in modern time. There are different methods of playing these instruments, like it can be played with the help of a nail or a striker plectrum, and can also be played through a bow as in a violin. Examples of string instruments are tanpura or tambura, veena, sitar, sarod, dilruba, violin, santoor, surbahar and rabab. Avnadvadya. Avnadvadya, also known as those instruments which are hollow from the inside or type of a vessel covered by a thick membranes. Many people believe that this category was first originated by Shiva, since he had a damru which he used while performing cosmic dance. These instruments can be played with a striker like used with nangada, with fingers and palms. Bhumi Dundubhi is the most ancient instrument of percussion. Khanjiri, dhol, nangada, tabla, mridangam are some of the examples. In modern time, this category is also known as membraphones. Sushirvadya, now also known as aerophones, these instruments have various holes in which the air is blown and resonated or vibrates, creating different tones or sounds. A very common example of such kind is a flute, which was also the favorite of Krishna. According to Sangeeta Damodar, these were also liked by Gandharvas. The frequency of the sound and the tone can be controlled by the pressure of air blow in it. Shehnai, Nadaswaram, Magudi, Algoja, Kombu or Shringa and harmonium are examples of aerophones. Ghan Vadhya. Ghan Vadhya is a solid instruments are also known as Aerophones. Today, they are not exactly hollow from inside and can only produce only one type of tones. They cannot produce more than one sound and hence variation is not possible with these instruments. They are mainly used to maintain the rhythm of used in background in any music. Manjira is also commonly used in temples, devotional music, in religious gatherings. Ghatam, Kartal, Gopichand, Jal Tarang, Kash Tarang are some of the examples of solid instruments. We can see how classical musical instruments are different in every way, yet when used together have a magical impact. They were first made from bamboo and wood, and with the passage of time, metals were used to make them. These are the basic category, but with the changing time, new instruments will always be made and so will new categories. So dear students and learners, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.